Welcome to the Kids' Tale.
One is the start, let's begin the fun. Two little shoes for a hop and a run. Three happy friends playing all day. Count 1, 2, 3, hip, hip, hooray! Four sliding down, wee, it's so cool. Five jumping frogs near the pond by the school. Six bouncing balls fly